And we're on.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Uncle Marky, 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 Marky.
Annalise, can you say Uncle Mark? Do you need to stand there?
Take a look.
Uncle Mark. Rock out, Ethan. Okay, now say happy birthday, Uncle Mark.
Happy birthday, Uncle Mark.
Okay, Isaac, say happy birthday, Uncle Mark.
Happy birthday, Uncle Mark.
All right.
Happy birthday, Uncle Funk.